happy you're here today. If you are new, welcome. This is the perfect place to practice real English you can use every day.
And if you've been learning with us before, great job for coming back. You're building your English step by step. Today's topic is very exciting and super useful. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Think about it. Everyone loves to eat. Whether you're traveling abroad, living in a new city, or just meeting friends, you will probably need to order food in English at some point.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet a waiter or waitress, ask for the menu, order food and drinks politely, ask about prices and recommendations, handle special situations, like if something is missing or wrong with your order.
So stay with us to the end. You'll even practice with 2 real-life role-play stories and take a short quiz.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this lesson, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our weekly English practice.
When you enter a restaurant, the first person you often meet is the host or hostess. Here are some useful phrases. Table for 1, please. Table for 2, please. Can we sit by the window? Do you have a table outside? Model dialogue. Customer. Table for 2, please. Host. Of course, right this way.
Your turn. Say, table for 4, please. Now say, can we sit near the window? Common mistake. Wrong. I want table 2. Better, a table for 2, please. Once seated, the waiter usually gives you a menu, but sometimes you may need to ask. Could I see the menu, please? May I have a menu? Do you have a drinks menu? Dialogue. Customer. Could I see the menu, please? Waiter. Of course, here you are.
Your turn. Say, may I have a drinks menu, please? Before food, most people order drinks. Some useful phrases are, I'd like a glass of water, please. Can I have a coffee? We'll have 2 sodas. Do you have fresh juice? Dialogue. Waiter, what would you like to drink? Customer, I'd like an orange juice, please.
Your turn. Say, can I have a cup of tea? Pronunciation tip. Say juice like juice, not juice.
Now the main part, ordering food. You can say, I'd like the chicken sandwich. Can I have the beef burger, please? We'll have 2 pizzas. Could you recommend something? Dialogue. Waiter, are you ready to order? Customer, yes. I'd like the pasta, please. Waiter, sure. Anything else? Customer, no, that's all. Thank you.
Your turn. Say, I'd like the fish and chips, please. Common mistake. Wrong. Give me pasta. Better. I'd like the pasta, please.
Sometimes you need more information. Try these. How much is the soup? What is today's special? Does this dish come with rice? Is it spicy? Dialogue. Customer. What is today's special? Waiter. Today we have grilled salmon.
Your turn. Say, how much is the steak?
At the end, you need to ask for the bill. Can we have the bill, please? Could I pay by card? Keep the change. Dialogue. Customer. Can we have the bill, please? Waiter. Of course. Here you are.
Your turn. Say, could I pay with cash? Polite goodbye. Thank you very much. The food was delicious. Have a great day.
Maria is visiting London. She enters a small cafe. Maria. Table for one, please. Waiter. Right this way. Maria. Could I see the menu, please? Waiter. Of course. Maria. I'd like a cappuccino and a sandwich. Waiter. Anything else? Maria. No, thank you. That's all. Comprehension check. True or false? Maria ordered soup.
Family at a restaurant. Father. Table for four, please. Hostess. Certainly. Waiter. What would you like to drink? Children. 2 orange juices. Father. I'll have coffee. Mother. I'd like tea. Waiter. Ready to order food? Mother. What is today's special? Waiter. Roast chicken. Father. We'll have that, please. Question. What did the family order for drinks?
Let's test what you learned. Quiz. Fill in the blank. Blank. I see the menu, please. True or false? Give me pasta is polite. Repeat after me. Can we have the bill, please?
Now it's your turn to practice in the comments. Write, today I would order blank and blank.
Here's a challenge for you. Next time you eat at a restaurant, try saying just one sentence in English, even if it's only table for two, please, or I'd like water.
Practice builds confidence. Start small, and step by step, you'll be able to order a whole meal in English.
Well done today. You learned how to order food and drinks, ask about specials, and pay the bill.
Remember, polite phrases like I'd like or could I have make you sound friendly and respectful.
Don't forget to write in the comments, today I would order blank and blank. We'll read your answers.
If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And join us next time for another practical English lesson.
See you soon and happy learning.